Chef Page here. Welcome to our channel. Hi guys, we're back. We miss cooking with you, and for today, we're gonna make Filipino version of chicken curry. Oh, what can I say with this food? This is really very satisfying and really delicious. It's one of my favorite. That's the right thing to do. Massage, massage, massage the chicken. By the way, this is very different from the Indian curry. Both are delicious in their own way. This version is less spicy. The color is more yellow than orange due to the less chili and less spice, of course. It has coconut milk, potato, capsicum, or bell pepper, and some other ingredients. So sit back, relax, and fasten your seatbelt. Oh, I mean apron, or apron, and let's cook. Enjoy the video. You guys just slightly brown the chicken. Don't overcook. It will be fully cooked later. And likewise, don't overcook the pepper. Just, a few seconds only. Pre-cook the carrots and the potato. Again, don't overcook it. This is very important, and you gotta take note. This is the proper way to do it. You need to fry the spices. It is better than just putting them with sauce or liquid. In the Middle East, India, and some other countries that are using these spices, this is how they do it. Surely it will taste better. The aroma will be more enticing. Your neighbor will knock on your door to ask, "Hey, what's cooking?" And probably want to join. And it will surely bring the dish to the next level. A few moments later. Okay, guys, a while ago, what we put is the coconut milk. Now we're adding the coconut cream. 'Now this is the time to season according to your taste. And afterwards, you may add back all the veggies. The oil that you see in here are all from the chicken and the coconut milk. For the final step, add the rest of the coconut cream, and it will turn yellow because of the spice a while ago that we put. It's white, but it will turn to yellow. Stir gently, and we're almost close to the finish line. Cover for a while, and hello, look at that. Whew, it's amazing. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but I'm about to jump in. This is really good. So let's eat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please do me a favor. Kindly hit the like and subscribe button and maybe this notification bell also. Thank you for watching and God bless.